Hello viewers, on today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the wheel shock on this 2016 Malibu. It is the same procedure from 2016 to 2020 Malibu, even newer. This one is clucking. GM do have a built-in for it for the upper mount, so this vehicle is pretty old. We're just going to replace the wheel shock assembly. What you will need is a new shock, obviously, and you're going to need a jack, a post jack like this, or you can use the regular floor jack to jack up the lower control arm to support the suspension while we're moving those bolts here and the bottom bolt. Alright, as you guys see here, I have the post jack. I'm gonna put it under the control arm here and screw it up so I can support the wheel control arm, the suspension. There it is. So now we're gonna remove those three bolts here that hold the mount in place. It is 15 millimeter. Now the control arm is loose. The shock is loose on top, so we're gonna remove those two those bolts here at the bottom that hold the shock in place. It is a 21 millimeter nut in the back, a 21 millimeter in the front. Okay, so you're gonna use our air gun to take it off. Here's my setup. I have a 21 millimeter winch in the back. Here is my gun in the front. Okay, I need someone to do this, so let's take it off. Hold the winch while taking it off with the gun. Here is the nut. Now I'll push the bolt out. Now let's show you the come out. Use the new one. We're going to slide it so you can line up the bottom. So we have the bottom line up with the bolt in. We're going to do the top part now. Now we're gonna try to drop the suspension a little bit so the bolt can line up to the body. There you go. Everything lined up. So now let's put the bolt in. Good. We're gonna do the bottom part now. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Take the jack off and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.